Hi guys, it's Hayley, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a bit of a different unboxing for you. I am going to bring to you a t-shirt box that my son subscribes to monthly. Now in the first ever video I made, I did explain that I'm going to try and do a more family based unboxing as well. So alongside my makeup and beauty subscriptions, I'm going to also include my husband's horror box subscriptions and my son's t-shirt subscriptions that he gets monthly. I just feel like as a family it's really nice to incorporate what they have as well, and it may be something that your family would like to do also. So firstly, I would like to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. Obviously I have only been doing this for 3 weeks and it's been a really exciting journey. It's been difficult trying to film and trying to get these films uploaded on a Sunday and a Wednesday for you, which I've done religiously. Has been difficult with working full-time also, but it's happened, I've done it, and I'm so grateful for everybody who has subscribed to me. I promise I will keep bringing you these videos and hopefully keep raking up them subscriptions to get as many as I can so that I can build my own little YouTube family. So another thing is, it is absolutely roasting in the UK at the moment. We are not used to anything past 16 degrees. So we are sweltering. I have the window open and unfortunately I think there's something going on in the world out there because all the police and everything are making some noise. So I don't really know what's going on, but please don't mind the traffic that's outside. So without further ado, let's get into this video. The box I'm going to be reviewing today is the monthly Tea Club box. Now unlike my glossy boxes, my rocker boxes and all my other beauty subscription boxes I unbox here on my channel, this just comes in a normal brown box. I have took my address information off the front there. So yeah, so it just comes in this little box. So the monthly Tea Club, I have got all the details here for you. You can tailor your boxes to meet your interests. So you can go online when you subscribe for the box, you can pick your interests. So the list of interests are animals, humour, science and space, motivational, petrol head, politics, movies and TV, music, sports and leisure, travel, spirituality and gaming. So you can go online, you can pick all of them if you want them, or you can pick just certain ones that are interest of yours, and they will pick the best t-shirts that fit your interests. So you can really make it quite individual to you. So these come in different subscriptions. You can get a different number of t-shirts for each subscription. So for one t-shirt a month it's £9.99. For 2 t-shirts a month it's £17.99. And for 4 t-shirts a month it's £29.99. Now my son has got the £29.99 subscription and he collects t-shirts. He loves t-shirts. He always goes for the most kind of outrageous, little bit individual t-shirts. He's got his own individual style, so really enjoys having these t-shirt boxes because it's a little bit something different and it's not something that everybody has. Let's have a little look at this box then. So the t-shirts are 100% ring spun cotton. So let's have a little look first. So obviously they're all going to be individual themes. So the first one is this one here. So this one says smashed avocado. There you go, smashed avocado. Now these are lovely quality t-shirts. They wash really well, and my son has had this for a long time, and a lot of his t-shirts, even the ones when he was younger and had a small size t-shirt, they're still great quality now. So we kind of try and pass them down if we can. But he's now in a medium, so this is a medium size t-shirt. So it's a really good size. And it's just got your 2 avocados on the front. Obviously one drunken avocado here with his smash bottle of wine at the bottom. Glass of wine, not a bottle of wine. Glass of wine at the bottom. And that is your first t-shirt. So that's great. So obviously that's one of the humour ones, so my son has definitely picked humour, and if you knew my son you would know exactly why he's chose that. that option. So the next one we have is the Iron Mando t-shirt. There you go, as you can see this, like that. So as you can see, they are pretty unique and hand selected. And that's that one. Okay. Again, in a size medium. Now the sizes in these are really inclusive. They go from a small up to a 3XL. So they are really size inclusive, which is absolutely great. Let's have a little look at the next one. This one's a nice bright yellow one. And this one says Boba Marley. Yeah. So that is really, so there's the print at the front there. And then just Boba Marley underneath. So that's absolutely great. That'll obviously be like music theme. Are we right, Jamie? Music theme? So a music theme for that one. I think there's a few that Jamie doesn't pick. He's got quite a few on there that he likes, but the things like politics and motivational things, he's not really into that, so he doesn't opt for them. But definitely film and TV he always goes for. So I'm being told that this is a Call of Duty one. So this one says the Codfather. I think this is one of Jamie's favourite by the looks of his face. Jamie's behind the camera if you wondered who I'm talking to. I'm not talking to myself. He's behind the camera being my little film man. So there is the Codfather. Just have a little look at the print there. Obviously it is £29.99 for the 4 t-shirts. Now I've been getting these for Jamie for a good year. And he really enjoys them. We enjoy him getting them every month, and it's just a little bit of a treat that he can open, enjoy and really get use out of. I think it's really important that when you've got these boxes that you can use them. I get a lot of makeup and a lot of skincare boxes, and it takes me a while to use all my products, but these get used straight away. They're so good to wash, and they're just different. So let's give you a little bit more information. So these are a non-contract subscription box. You are not contracted in any way at all. You can cancel at any time. Now they take your payments out on the 1st of every month, and then if for some reason you've missed that payment, or you know you haven't been able to pay that for some reason, they will try again and take it out on the 10th of the month. So that's really good, because for people who don't get paid for certain times of the month, or you know if you haven't got the money at that point, then obviously they can take it out at a different time, which is the 1st or the 10th of the month. So also they do the official merch t-shirt, which is a mystery box, and that's £14.99. On these boxes you do get a t-shirt picker. Now every month you will be emailed to let you know that the t-shirt picker has been opened, and that is where you can go online onto their website and you can pick the t-shirt that you want in your box for the next month. So it's great. Jamie really enjoys doing that. At least he gets a little bit of sneak peek of what he's getting the next month. On your 12th t-shirt box you do get a free t-shirt as well, so that will come alongside your normal subscription. They also do a Tea for a Tea project. Now for every month you have a subscription box, one item is donated to people who need clothing, who don't have much for themselves. So every single time you have a box, they will donate one to somebody who is really in need. So that's a really great initiative to have. And to be fair, I've never had a problem with these. There was a point where I was subscribed twice, and we just thought Jamie was getting 2 t-shirt boxes by accident, but it wasn't. We were paying for 2 t-shirt boxes. We were getting a large and a medium. So Jamie for a number of months has duplicated a lot of his t-shirts, so he's got quite a few now. But when he grows out of one, he can grow into the other, so we're not mad. But they were so good. They cancelled it straight away for us, we had no hassle. I literally just emailed them and said, you know, we have a subscription with you and we need to cancel one because we've done 2 by accident. And they were fine. They said, that's fine, we've cancelled it for you. And there was just no problem. There's no questions asked. So if for some reason you do want to cancel, then there won't be any questions asked. They will just do that for you. Also, you can do a gift of this as well. So if you do want to gift one of these items to somebody, when you go onto the store to purchase your item, if you click gift, then you are able to put a little personal message in that box so that can go along with your gift once it's being delivered. So that's a really nice thing to have as well. I do think subscription boxes are a really good item to give for a birthday. I just feel like if you've got someone that's got everything, then why not get them something like this? My guessing is they won't have this. They won't have the item in this box. They also do a hoodie subscription. Now the hoodie subscription, that's the first time James finds out that they do a hoodie subscription. Unless he pays for it himself, he's not having one. So they give you 1 hoodie a month, which is $19.99. And again, they run down the same themes of whatever theme you choose. They will allocate that towards one of them. Another thing is they only ship to the UK. So they do not ship worldwide. However, it is something they are looking into. Now, when you go onto the website, you can sign up for a newsletter. And in that newsletter, it'll give you all the different things that they're working on and trying to bring to you in the future. So obviously, it is something they're looking at. It is on the site to say that they are looking at bringing this worldwide. However, at the moment, it is just a UK-based subscription box. So that is the monthly Tea Club subscription box. I really hope some of you have benefited from this. I understand for all my beauty lovers out there, this really isn't the best video for you, but hopefully you've got some family members that might really like to have a look at this. I'll link their website down below for you to have a look at. There's a lot of information in there. There's a lot of frequently asked questions that you can go on, and it'll give you a rundown of exactly what has been asked previously. That has been the monthly Tea Club. I hope you are all well, and again, thank you all so much for supporting me with my journey. I am trying to improve every single time and feel like I'm getting a little bit more confident in front of this camera every time I do a different video. So that is it from me. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I promise I will try and bring as much lovely content to you as I can. Press the notification bell so you can be notified of any future uploads. And until the next time, you take care. Mwah.